Hey guys, guess what? I got mail! Hong Kong! Again. Hunky punky, yes, but this time I won't talk just like the video before, talking all the time, crap. I didn't like it too much. Let's get to the point. I just ripped off the packaging. Always like this. Oh, look at this. Nice. Nice. The ring. Now, what this is a Cokin. I don't know if I pronounce the name well. Cokin. And it's the P series. The ND filters. I also got an ND filter with it. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. There we go. Oh, it's even in the packaging. This one. Nice delivered. I like it. So, what you need to do with this, unfortunately, I don't got my lens with 77. Ooh, let's focus. Focus? Yep. 77 mm at this moment. So I'll need to show you with the round lens. Let me get it right now for you. I'm back. Nice. Well, this isn't a 77 mm. It is actually a 55. Just like you can see right here. Macro, yeah, blah blah blah. But it isn't. Doesn't mean anything for this. But what happens? You screw this there. Then this one slides just, let's see, let's focus closer so I can show you better. Yep. See, this is on your lens. This can easily slide into there. Here it gets locked by this. Yep. See, it gets locked. You also can take it out by that. Click, clack, out. Then in. Now, what you then need to do is get out. Let's see, come on. Really well packaged. There we go. This will go right here. Let me take it out for you guys. And so you know that you know this is a ND filter, ND8 to be precise. What it does, it takes 8 stops away. So you can use it for longer shutter speeds, longer exposures, sorry. Let's see. Try not to handle it in the middle, then you will ruin your sight. This thing, ooh, focus. There we go. This has multiple slides there. So what you can do, nice and tight, right there, see? This goes right on the lens, takes off 8 stops. You can see the difference with this and this. This will go right in front of the lens. And that's very useful, just as I already told you, for long exposures. To be precise, something like when you want to have the water in a dreamy effect. It's very useful for it. So, I hope you liked it. And thank you, Hong Kong Post. Chunky Kunky Kunky. I'll see you next time. Peace!